Welcome to my YouTube channel again, guys. So today, me, Zubair and Ali, we have came to this Bros Chicken stall. So we are going to try chicken pakoda here. Let's see how is that. How much rating we can give to this chicken pakoda, chicken 65. So that uncle has Bros stall has chicken pakoda and chicken bhaji too. So So we are just trying the chicken and it's so tasty, guys. So overall, guys, I have just tasted the chicken 65 pakoda here. The pakoda was so awesome. I can rate 5 out of 5 for the pakoda. Which, Zubair, you gonna rate for the chicken 65 pakoda? 4. Why, man? Okay, so as per Zubair, Zubair is a millionaire and he has tasted so many chicken pakodas all over Chennai. So I rate 5 out of 5. It's a good shop. We'll meet at the next vlog, guys. You guys can see, guys, so much of crowd here because the chicken pakoda will be so tasty here. For that only, people are coming from